Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. A six-member inter-ministerial central team on Wednesday began its field visit to assess the extent of damage caused by the recent floods that took place in coastal districts of Odisha in August. The team will be visiting the major flood-affected districts like Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapada and Puri. Odisha, which had recently witnessed floods in several districts, is likely to face another low pressure by the 20th of September with a fresh low pressure area brewing over the Bay of Bengal, officials said on Wednesday. The SRC has asked district collectors to deal with possible flash flood, landslide and waterlogging conditions. Hundreds of daily wagers launched an agitation at DRDA office in Balangir on Tuesday to protest against delay in wage payments and massive corruption in the execution of projects under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act scheme and demand timely release of their wages. A man who had earlier tested positive for COVID-19 collapsed at the main door of fever and flu ward of the Dhenkanal headquarters hospital while his wife tried to resuscitate him. The video of the incident has been making rounds on social media for past 2 days. The man was identified as Sushant Prushti, 50 years of age, of Nadra village. His wife can be heard crying and praying for help in the heart-wrenching video, but the DHH medical staffers allegedly remain mute spectators. Two 11-month-old baby elephants migrated from Chhattisgarh forest had fallen into the Kanpur Dam's canal at Champura range in Keonjhar district. Forest officials rescued the cubs after a 2-hour operation on Wednesday. The Russian Direct Investment Fund and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited, a global pharmaceutical company headquartered in India, have agreed to cooperate on clinical trials and distribution of Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine in India, Russia's Sovereign Wealth Fund revealed in a statement on Wednesday. That's all for today's bulletin. You are watching Odisha Post Live. For more such updates, stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.